Welcome back to Trends Reviews YouTube channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving into the world of clean carpets and spotless upholstery, with our top picks for the 5 best portable carpet and upholstery cleaners on Amazon 2023. Whether you're dealing with spills, stains, or just want to keep your home looking pristine, we've got you covered. Stick around to discover the ultimate cleaning solutions that will make your life easier. Let's jump right in. Number 1. I want to introduce you to the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, a game changer for home cleaning. What sets this apart? Well, not only does it deliver exceptional cleaning results, but it also supports a fantastic cause, the BISSELL Pet Foundation, saving homeless pets with every purchase. Now, let's talk about performance. This little powerhouse boasts powerful suction, making light work of tough pet spots and stains on carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more. Its portable and versatile design means you can easily tackle multiple surfaces throughout your home, from carpets to stairs, area rugs to auto interiors. One thing I love is the large 48 ounces tank capacity. It means less stopping and more cleaning between refills, saving you time and effort. Plus, it's not just about cleaning. It's about freshness too. You can use the spot and stain formula with Febreze Freshness to eliminate tough stains and odors, leaving your space smelling amazing. And the package, it's got everything you need: a 3 tough stain tool, HydroRinse self-cleaning hose tool, trial size 8 ounces spot and stain with Febreze formula, and a 1-year limited warranty. So, if you want a powerful, portable, and pet-friendly cleaning solution, the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is an absolute must-have. Number 2. Hoover cleanslate Plus Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, a powerful solution for tackling those stubborn stains and messes in your home. What really stands out with this cleaner is its powerful agitation feature, which digs deep to target even the most set-in stains. Whether it's spills, mud, wine, or pet messes, this machine is up for the challenge. It's equipped with a spin scrub tool for versatile surface cleaning, and a tight spot tool for those tricky, hard-to-reach areas. One thing I absolutely love is the permanent stain removal capability, thanks to the included oxy concentrate. No more worrying about lingering marks on your carpets or upholstery. Plus, it's quick and portable, making it a go-to for handling spills and set-in messes. The 15-foot cord length provides flexibility, and the hose rinse tool ensures easy cleaning of the machine after use. With its dual tank system and 40 ounces clean solution capacity, you can clean larger areas without constantly refilling. This means you can tackle more significant jobs with ease. So, if you're in need of a reliable and efficient spot cleaner, the Hoover cleanslate Plus Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Carpets and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, a real game changer for pet owners like myself. This machine delivers 2x suction power compared to other portable spot cleaners, making it a top choice for tackling those pesky pet stains and odors. One standout feature is the handheld dual-action pet tool with rubber bristles. It's designed to remove pet hair, tough stains, and odors with ease. Whether it's embedded dirt, urine, vomit, or other accidents, this tool takes care of it. And the best part, it's portable, lightweight, and compact, so you can use it for everyday cleaning, touch-ups, or deep-down cleaning. What sets this spot cleaner apart is its versatility. It's expertly engineered to handle pet messes and everyday accidents on various surfaces: carpets, upholstery, area rugs, stairs, mattresses, pet beds, car interiors, and more. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring a professional-grade clean every time. If you're a pet owner looking for a reliable solution to keep your home spotless, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Carpets and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is a must-have. Number 4. Introducing the Kenmore KW2001 Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner. If you're like me and accidents seem to happen when you least expect them, this little powerhouse is here to save the day. First off, this spot cleaner means business when it comes to removing tough stains. Whether it's that glass of wine that took a tumble or your furry friend's little mishap, the Kenmore KW2001 has you covered. Its powerful suction not only lifts stains from carpets, but also tackles upholstery and auto interiors with ease. The integrated onboard storage keeps everything you need right at your fingertips, making cleanup a breeze. What I love about this spot cleaner is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing in at less than 11 pounds, you can take it anywhere without breaking a sweat. Whether it's upstairs, downstairs, or even in your car, the KW2001 is always ready to roll. Plus, its compact size means you can conveniently store it under a sink or in a closet when you're done. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Kenmore KW2001 doesn't just stop at cleaning stains. It comes equipped with a 3.5 tough stain tool and a 6.5 wide path tool, making it a true multi-purpose cleaning companion. And the cherry on top, your purchase includes a trial size of cleaning formula, so you can start tackling those messes right away. The Kenmore KW2001 Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner is a game changer for anyone who values a clean home and peace of mind. Number 5. I want to talk about the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner. A real game changer when it comes to tackling those stubborn carpet stains. First things, this little wonder simplifies spot and stain removal like a pro. Whether it's pet messes, embedded dirt, or general stains, this cleaner's got your back. It leaves your carpets looking and smelling fresh, making your home a happier place. Now, let's talk about power. The Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner brings the heat with its powerful suction. Say goodbye to accidents, pet messes, spills, and those tough set-in stains. It's not just for carpets. It works wonders on upholstery and even your auto interior. What sets this apart is its compact and lightweight design. It's 20% lighter, making it super easy to maneuver and fit into tight spaces. Plus, it's a breeze to clean with a built-in hose rinse that flushes away any leftover dirt. With removable water tanks and a 19 ounces capacity, this machine is a stain-fighting champ. Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner is your secret weapon against carpet calamities. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from it. All products by link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.